Now listen, in addition to picking my fruit out, I want y'all to start going to the boutiques. You know what I'm saying? Get some crazy shit for me.
Okay guys, I just want to shout out Miss Precious Marie for coming up with this idea. I'm so sorry for everything that's been going on with her and the company, and that's really crazy. If you guys want to know what happened, you can go check her video out. I just want to say she's the one that came up with this idea first, and this is the first time me seeing her channel, but I just felt like I should at least put it in the video so everybody, this is a disclaimer. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a first impression. It's kind of like a review, not really. I'm basically an unboxing for HAIRVIVI. This is how the package came. I got their new wig. Well, basically I'm collabing with them. I'm not even sure on the specs of the wig, but it's going to be in my description box. I think it's either an 18-inch or a 20-inch frontal wig, and it's their new technology where they put the cap inside of the wig, so it's pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-melted, all that stuff. All you have to do is cut the lace off, but make sure you're in love with the wig before you cut the lace off, because then you can't return it. Returning, it's 7 days. After you get the wig, you have 7 days to return it if you don't like something about it. And I think this wig is like $2 something. So I would say this is affordable. Like for the way that the packaging looks, just off packaging, I would pay the price for this wig. I am going to put the price and everything in the description box because I can't think of it at the top of my head. I literally just got this wig and I seen the packaging and I was like, I'm filming this right now. Like, F all these other videos I want to do. I want to open this and show you guys this wig. Like, I love stuff like this because it makes me feel like it's my birthday or something. So I'm just going to open it like this. Okay. So then it looks like this. And then I had this paper at the top, but I put it in the bottom. In the box, you get this kind of bra strap thing. This is so cute. Like, I seen this on Instagram, like some other company doing this too. But this is really nice. Like, a carbon comb. This is good too. This kind of combs, they don't melt, so this is good. I get wig caps. If you don't know, I hate black wig caps. Like, it gets on my nerve. So wig caps, and then you get 2 of these clip things. So this is just an information card on how to take care of the wig. And then the wig, I had already took it out of the packaging because I was too excited. And this wig is supposed to be worn without glue, without tape, without spray, anything. They say you could just put this wig on and go. So I feel like no matter what the price is, as long as it's under $400, it's worth it for a wig that's gonna do that. Please pay attention to my description box because it will be having updates on the hair, like the hair itself, how it's like shedding or not shedding or whatever. But basically the wig comes just like standard, like this. And then I'm just gonna take it out of this packaging. It's really nice. It comes in a regular 1B color. I'm not sure if you can ask for a different color, but this is nice. You guys know me. If like I don't like something, I'm gonna say I don't like it, but this is nice. Okay. So the inside look like this. It's a 13 with a 6-inch deep part, I think. But the inside, let me zoom in so you guys can see the inside of this unit. Okay, so this is the inside of the unit. It has the adjustable straps. It has this, what is it again? This stocking cap. And it's really nice. It looks like it's been sewn inside the wig, so this is nice AF. Then it has this adjustable thing, and it's like a bra strap, so you can unclasp it if you don't want to wear a band, because most times I don't like wearing bands in my wig. It comes with 3 combs right here and 1 right here, so 4 combs in total. I normally would take the combs out of right here because I hate how it feels. I hate the feeling of the comb like right on top of my head. So I'm gonna just put this wig on. Actually, I'm going to put the wig on first just to make sure it can fit, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut off the lace. But this is looking like it's going to be my favorite wig. I love low maintenance wigs, especially for the summertime. And yes, we need all the low maintenance we could get. I'm not going to put on a cap because I want to do exactly what they said. So I'm just going to go ahead. You guys see my dusty braids. You see me do these braids in my... I'm actually going to link in my look, my hair look like a dread. Like, I need to take this off. Tell me if you guys want to see a video on how I take my hair down and wash it and stuff. So I think I'm about to do some natural hairstyles when I take these braids out. So comment that down below. So I'm just gonna fix up my hair like so, and then I'm gonna put this on. I got mine in a size medium cap. I always get a size medium cap. Okay. And this hair does not have a smell. You know what's weird? How do they know what color is perfect for me? Y'all. The freaking sun is going down, so I'm really, really sorry about that. I am going to turn my light on. This is nice. The only thing is, like, just like right here, I guess because of how like it was in the packaging, it's a little bit lumpy right here, but this is easy to fix. Like, literally some mousse and it's good. And I'm not even gonna be wearing I'm shook. Let me just cut off the lace in the back, and then I'm gonna get back to the front. This is so smooth. Like, it feels like it was flat ironed or something. And it feels like it's a 150% density. It's not too thick, but it's not too thin. I'm going to go ahead and put my hot comb to warm up because I am going to be hot combing this hair down. I know it's supposed to be like you should just wear it out the packaging, and you can, but I'm a perfectionist most times. I'm just cutting off the lace in the back. Okay, so I'm just going to put this back on so I can take the cap off. I'm gonna put it a little bit tighter. This is really comfortable because it's like a soft kind of material. The only thing I don't really like is the combs, so I will be going in and cutting these combs out because I hate feeling the comb pulling on my natural hair. That's a dub. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this lace off. I'm actually gonna y'all, I'm so excited. I'm moving mad. Okay, so I need the clips to clip this hair back. The stupid sun is going down, so I'm sorry about the lighting. I low-key should go and get my... So I'm just gonna cut it off around my ear. So let me show you guys, so you could part it over here. Scalp. The size here don't really have too much like parting going back, but it goes all the way ear to ear, so that's good. I'm just gonna flatten out the top. You can already see the difference. I'm gonna cut the lace, and then I'm gonna go in with my straightener. I need to put on my light, to be honest. I'm over here playing these games. So I'm gonna pin the hair back. And then I'm gonna cut it with this because I see most people doing it with this and not the razor, so y'all know I love baby hairs. But look at this. trying to not cut my natural edges because my natural edges kind of come out here. One thing about this lace, it's really, really soft. And to be honest, I don't have anything bad to say. I don't even think I'm going to do baby hairs. Yo, this is easy. I'm just going to tighten up the strap. I'm going to take the wig off and tighten up the strap. Just tighten, there's straps in the wig itself besides the strap on the frontal. So I'm just going to tighten up that like one. This is what I needed for it to be a little tighter. Pull this up. I probably should have laid my my real edges down, but oh well. Where is the comb? Okay, I'm just going to pull this back a bit because it's too much on my... Okay. And I'm going to go in, comb this out. There's absolutely no shedding. Y'all, this is actually insane. Because this took a while to get to me too. Not like shipping wise, but just like the collaboration wise. Because they wanted to make sure that the wig was ready and perfect. So I appreciate that from them. And I seen this other video. I made sure like I checked out other video on people that did not get sponsored. Like just the company wise. And the people get the same thing that I got in my box. Like just how the box came for me, that's how it was for them too. So and this is my first time working with this company. So yeah. I'm just gonna press the hair. And use this flat iron just to flatten out the hair. Oh, and this hair does not have a scent. If I did not say that, it doesn't have a scent. I'm gonna go get my wax stick just to sleek down the top part up here because I don't need this to be like, this looks amazing. Like, man, I'm actually shook. I'm gonna get my wax stick, BRB. So I'm gonna use my Cara Cara wax stick just to hold down the flyaways at the top. So I actually think this is 18 inches. I'm not sure. I feel like it is, but it's gonna be down below. So dang. So over here, I'm just gonna try to pull it a little bit up. That's because of where the cap is. I don't really want it. I mean, where the band is, I don't really want it pulling on like my ear. So the band is on my ear, so I don't really want to pull it on my ear. So when I pull my cap forward, it's like, you see my ear? I don't like that, because it'd be interfering with my piercing. So I'm just going to pull that shit back. Dang, this looks good. So I'm just going to turn around for you guys to see the back. I was gonna do baby hairs, but there's no need. Like, I'm making a video. So the stupid sun is going down, but guys, look at this hair. Let me put on my ring light. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my do-rag just to like hold down those flyaways, because they're trying to be stubborn or something. I don't want to tie it too tight because I do not want a dent in the wig. This hair is crazy. Like, it's so nice. I'm actually shook. Like, I didn't even flat iron it the way that I could. Like, I just flat ironed the front bits, but the back, I didn't do nothing. And it's so nice and flat. I'm gonna take this off to show y'all, but that's basically it for this video. I wanted to show you guys this wig. Like, I was so shook when they reached out to me. I was like, heck yeah. So I hope you guys like this video. If there's any other videos you guys want to see, OMG. So I'm coming with this new video, y'all. I'm coming with this new video soon. Tell me if you guys are excited for this. It's gonna be like a balayage type of warm tone, cool tone mixture, highlights, lowlights video for hair. It's gonna be a hair color for the summertime. Tell me if y'all are ready to see this. Like, I'm actually so excited to film that video. I know it's gonna take a while, but I'm excited. All the links for this hair will be in my description box as well if you guys are interested. I didn't do anything to this hair, so I really can't take no credit. All the credits goes to HAIRVIVI, their packaging, their customer service. Their customer service has been nice so far to me. Like, I'm actually obsessed with it. I feel like with my own money, I would buy another wig like this. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. I'm so excited for these videos to come. I know, like, I haven't really been, like, bringing the heat lately, so I'm going to get back on my shit and bring the heat. Like, bye. I'm going to back my ass out of here. Say hi to my YouTube. Say hi. Tell them your name. My name is... No, it's not. No, it's not. I told you before. I told you y'all gonna have to pick my fruit out. Now listen, in addition to picking my fruit out, I want y'all to start going to the boutiques. You know what I'm saying? Get some crazy shit for me. I want...